Staying with India, India is currently witnessing a record spike in COVID cases, fueled by the highly transmissible Omicron variant. With an upward move in cases every day, the country is under the grip of a growing third wave. India has reported over 268,000 fresh COVID cases. This is some 1.75% rise from yesterday's figures. This is also for the third consecutive day that India has registered over 200,000 COVID cases in the last 24 hours. Daily positivity rate now stands at 16.66%. The country's caseload also includes over 6,000 cases of the Omicron variant. Health authorities, meanwhile, have reported an additional 402 COVID fatalities in the last 24 hours. Despite steep surge in cases, rate of hospitalization continues to remain low. The Indian state of Maharashtra, which is one of the worst hit regions by the pandemic, reported an additional 43,000 new COVID cases and 19 deaths on Friday. Meanwhile, the positivity rate in Delhi has jumped to 30.64% on Friday as the national capital reported over 24,000 new COVID cases. According to Delhi government, more than 75% of those who have died due to COVID in the current wave in Delhi were unvaccinated. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, meanwhile, has said that the peak of the third wave has arrived in the national capital.
तो पीक तो आ चुकी है. अब ढलान कब स्टार्ट होता है लग भी रहा है. देखो कल भी कम थे, कल से आज 4,000 कम है, आज शाम को जाएगा वो 4,000 फिर से कम होंगे, तो लग रहा है थोड़ा डाउन जा रहा है.
More than 1.56 billion doses of vaccines have been administered since January last year. The newly implemented vaccine drive for kids has also picked up the scale. Over 30 million youngsters between the ages of 15 to 18 years have received one dose or the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. And for more on this, our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, has sent us this report.
I'm standing at Delhi's Connaught Place. This is the main shopping area in the national capital. Also very popular with people here over the weekends, but because of the weekend curfew, not a person can be seen here. It looks like a ghost town, but that is primarily because of the restrictions that have been imposed because of the rising numbers of the COVID cases. Delhi has reported a positivity rate of 30% and cases were reported 25,000. They can, of course, increase as well, but there is a silver lining. The health minister of Delhi has said that the numbers have peaked. There can be a decline in coming few days, and that, of course, can help remove these restrictions that have been put in place.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.